All right, first things first, throw yourself a breakaway. After the breakaway, land in a man on the trapeze. After you land in that trapeze, give yourself a little bit of slack between your throw hand and the counterweight. After you got your slack, whip the counterweight around the string on your non-throw hand and catch the counterweight in your throw hand. Now with your non-throw hand, stretch the string apart so you make a V. Now after you got that, rock the yo-yo back and forth to get the right momentum to pop it up and through that gap. Now after you've done that, rock the yo-yo back and forth kind of like a rock the baby. But we got the bell tower here. Now after you've got whatever successions you want to do, 3, 4, 6, 8, whatever, pop the yo-yo out, back around towards your throw hand, and hopefully don't hit it. Then release the counterweight back around the string and your hand. Now pop the yo-yo up and follow your non-throw hand towards your throw hand in a circle. Then release the counterweight towards your non-throw hand and catch it underneath in your throw hand. Then release the yo-yo off, or pop the yo-yo off and go back into a man trapeze on the other side, and then return to your hand. And there you go. Alright, here's a front style view of that trick so you kind of get a better idea of what the trick looks like. Follow the steps, as I said at the beginning, and you'll be all good. Alright, let's check out one more angle of this trick. And maybe this will get you rocking and rolling on learning this trick.